hustle of sound and vibrational frequency a couple of years ago, it was a rage, has now been replaced by another one just in today's news of IV beauty therapy. That of it involves kind of having a glowing skin by infusing vitamins and minerals through the intravenous fluids. Now, this is a kind of a quick fix that we have all been looking for, fixing things. Vibrational sound frequency was a rage 2 years ago when we used to get audio clippings of 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, or 10 minutes, which were of vibrational frequencies which matched the energy centers in the body. The different energy centers which are present in our body have an influence over that particular body area or the circulatory system. If the heart center will have a vibrations that will influence the energy of the circulatory system. The solar plexus will influence the digestive system. So sound frequency audios were made matching the frequency of the energy centers, and all what was required to do was put on your earplugs, listen to it for a few minutes, and it would energize or activate those energy centers and bring about the desired results. But did it happen that way? Well, that was a quick fix. So, these quick fixes needed also money. So, what this NASA scientists did was they tried to analyze how the top 3% of the richest multi-billionaires of the world, what was that which was unique in all of them. And they found that these multi-billionaires had something called the pineal gland, which was very active. So they devised a sound wave which matched that which could activate the pineal gland, which is located somewhere inside the brain behind the ears. And this is an almond-sized gland for which they prepared a matched frequency. Now this is viral. This particular frequency audios are viral and it's selling. But what is it giving the desired results? If not, why not? Right? Because the energy centers which give the different frequencies as given in this chart, you can see that they have several other factors also that influence them. It is not only the vibrational frequency, straight match of the sound frequency to the vibrational frequency of the energy center, because energy centers don't function that way. Now we all know that we get angry easily. Now if we want to have an audio this to reduce our anger levels, which is of a low vibrational frequency, they prepared an audio that will even for reducing stress levels, insomnia, these things to be able to influence our emotion. Now another study was made where emotions were analyzed. Emotions were analyzed at these levels. If you notice, fear, anger, apathy, all these are of very low frequencies, say 75, 50, 45, and the low frequencies. The low numbers are given to that. And what are higher, what the desired qualities of charity, gratitude, love, peace, calmness, which if we want to bring about a desired change in our energies and replace these negative energies, so they decided to bring sound audios to bring about the changes in our energy system to be able to bring about these kind of emotions. Here's where everything went wrong, in the sense that these the numbers that are assigned to this 500, 700, and 500, 600, 640, 600, 700, and so on, these are the measures of the amplitude of the energy. Amplitude, it is not the frequency. If you try to increase the sound frequency based on amplitude, it is going to have the reverse effect. That is why all these, the vibrational frequency sound audios, which was a rage 2 years ago and which was selling like hotcakes, it has been proved to be ineffective.